Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anwar Ali. I'm from Kashgar city. I'm currently living in USA. Today I'm going to testify my relatives. First of all, I'm testifying my aunt, Razikal Tursun. She's my mother's sister. She's 48 years old, housewife. Uh, as I know, uh, 2017, Chinese put her in prison camp. They sent her to Yambulak jail in Kashgar city. Since 2017, I haven't heard anything about her. I don't know where about her, what happened to her. Uh, she lives in Kashgar city, Shamalbagh town, village 6, group 4. Her home number is 52. I'm also testifying my wife's uncle, Abtemet Ablet. He was born on 1984 April. He lives in Gulja city, Ghalibiyat Road, 14th Street, and the room number is 235. Chinese sent him to concentration camp in 2017, and after 2 years they sent him to the jail for 8 years without any crime. I also urging my state's state representative and the senators to speak up against those people in the camp and the prison. I'm fighting for them, for all Uyghur to free from the prisons and the concentration camps. Thank you. Please share my video.